it's Roxy here to help me. And today we're going to learn about the letter N. N says N. You put your tongue on the roof of your mouth and you say N. And guess what? My name starts with N. Nikki. Teacher Nikki reads, Nikki, Nikki, Nikki. Okay, so what else starts with N? Yes, it does. First, let's show them the letter N, okay? They can see it here. We have it here too. Capital N and lowercase n, or big N, little n, capital N, lowercase n. Whatever you want to call it, it's still an N. What starts with N? This is what Roxy thought of before. A nest. Nest. It's where the birds lay their eggs in a nest. Can you say nest? Nest. Awesome. Okay, how about this? It's nighttime. It's night, like day and night. This is night. It's when it gets dark out. Nighttime. Night. Oh, you might know what these are. Sometimes you see them in a pool. They're called noodles. These are not the noodles you eat. These are pool noodles. Noodles. Now, if you live in the US of A, you know that this is a nickel. Nickel. It's 5 cents. Nickel. Can you say nickel? He says, good job. What about this? Newspaper. Newspaper. A lot of times people read the newspaper online on their phone, but some people actually hold the newspaper and read it. Newspaper. That's a long word. And here is another kind of noodle. This is the kind of noodle that you eat. Noodle. Noodle. You say it. Noodle. What are these? Nails. Nails. This is a different type of nail than you see here. My fingernails are different than this type of nail. Nails. 2 types of nails. What else do we have a picture of? It's not a doctor. It's a nurse. Nurse. Let me show you the word nurse. Nurse. Can you see it? Nurse. The nurse works with the doctor. Nurses work super hard. Can you say nurse? Good job. Now, what is this? It's nail polish. Nail polish. You put it on your nails, just like here. What is this thing called? It's a nail file. Nail file. And it files your nails. Makes them really pretty. So, I have some more things that start with the letter N, but I don't have the picture, so I'm just going to show you by drawing. What number? Number starts with N. Number. What number is this? It's a what? It's not a 6. It's a 9. Number 9. 9, 9, 9. Number 9. And the word number, 9, they both start with N. What else can I think of? Oh, if someone is smiling, you usually think they're nice. Nice. I'll write it down. N-I-C-E. Nice. Not naughty, nice. I'll put a smiley face. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. So what can you do? Boys and girls, I want you to look around your house and find some things like we did that start with the letter N. My nail polish, my nail file. I found these around the house with Roxy's help. Thanks, Roxy. So find some things that start with N, draw some things that start with N, and I can't wait to see what you came up with.